Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out for you. I'll show you the technique and then I'm going to show you how I do it, and then I'm going to tell you about the products that I use. So let's get on it. The first thing that I'm going to use is water. A lot of people, they are confused what is this. So this is water. Yeah. I'm going to be using this shea butter. So why do I use a shea butter for my twist out? It's because for me, I don't know how to explain it, but like my twist out, guys, it slaps. Like the shea butter makes my twist out to be the best. I have tried the twist outs with some gel and some, what do you call this, custard and cream. They didn't like come out as wow. So for me, what works best for me is this shea butter. So let's get to the technique on how you can get the best twist out. Right. Oh my gosh, my hair is very dry. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to put the shea butter here. Right. And like massage my hair all the way. What you need to do is that you must have two things separate like this. You must have your hair like this, and then to twist out you do this, right guys? This is twisting your hair, this is twisting your hair. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the technique. Okay, let me continue twisting, right? You see, that is how you twist your hair. But like the technique that I use that makes my twist out not to be like this, let me show you. So before you twist like this, you must first twist each strand or string or whatever you call it, right? And then you twist. You see, as I'm twisting, I'm like doing this to my hair. See? Look. Look. Right. Look at my twist now. It's not moving. It's not doing anything. Let's do it again, guys. I can see you didn't get that properly. Let's do it again. I'm gonna take you through it again so you would see properly. Okay. I know a lot of you would be complaining that why am I putting the shea butter only on each strand. Guys, my hair need this much oil, so like this is like maximum hydration or maximum moisturizing of your hair. I don't want to put the shea butter on my hair. I just want to do it like this as I'm doing it, because it helps to keep my hair moisturized for longer. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Remember guys, before you twist this, you have to twist the strands. Let's do it. Twist. Let's do it. Twist. Twist. I know a lot of you would feel like this is tiring, having to twist the hair first before you do the twist out. Like, you're just going to get